harvest fruits. Imagine a world where advanced AI-powered robots roam the orchards, expertly identifying ripe fruits with remarkable precision. These robots utilize cutting-edge computer vision to analyze the color, size, and shape of each fruit, ensuring only the best are picked. Meanwhile, drones soar above, providing a bird's-eye view of the fields. They collect vital data on fruit ripeness and tree health, giving farmers insights that were once unimaginable. With predictive analytics, farmers can now optimize their harvesting times, maximizing efficiency and yield. By examining historical data alongside current conditions, AI forecasts crop yields, empowering farmers to make informed decisions. This is the future of agriculture, where technology and nature work hand in hand for a bountiful we can cultivate a brighter future for agriculture. In today's orchards, AI is revolutionizing the way we farm. Imagine having a mobile app that tailors agricultural practices to the unique needs of each section of your orchard. With real-time alerts on soil moisture and environmental conditions, I can act swiftly, ensuring my crops get exactly what they need when they need it. Predictive analytics takes it a step further, analyzing historical data and weather patterns to pinpoint the optimal harvest time for each crop. This means I can maximize yield and minimize waste. Plus, with AI streamlining labor management, I know exactly how many workers I need at any given time, making my operations more efficient. The result? A bountiful harvest that not only boosts productivity but also promotes sustainability in agriculture.